Wagwan guys, see there, fried rice and it's look like sweet and sour chicken. Wagwan guys, see there, fried rice and it's look like sweet and sour chicken.
Which one another one? The curry one or which one? Yeah. The curry.
KFC can't get now. Then get a competition.
Not that.
Yeah, then get a little competition. No. Who do you think would like a KFC? Island Grill? Burger King? It's standalone. Alright.
Nobody can run up one.
This is the option. This is the next option. This is the next option.
Restaurant.
The restaurant there. Macho.
The restaurant. You have a self.
Yeah man, place.
Nice, you have a shampoo.
Yeah man, we have to give thanks. We look Portland and develop. We have to give thanks man.
I was KFC get that now.
You get that? No. That them for no. Yeah man, that them for no. KFC get a knock. So what they selling here, some G? Based on what you see are going.
Yeah man, every little.
New place them and it are going good man. Wow. Portland really a developed people, is it? Yeah man, it's a good.
Ikaw na rin sa yan, yung card with Bobby Bob's next media.
Wagwan man. They have one little pizza shop right there, see?
All that God can do.
What they say, have a gas station.
Invited to the Rivers of Living Water Conference, presented by the highly esteemed Pastor
Where did my yard? They have put in works there, yeah. Yeah, I eat one. When new store where they say name Sugar. Where is one new store, one new place up here. One new place up here named Sugar, your name.
Oh!
How you say that?
Yeah. So you see that thing hang out? Yeah.
Go on, check it out.
Yeah man, Sakura.
Yeah, Sakura, yeah. Over here, see you normally park your vehicle, is it? pay a little fee and park your vehicle. Yeah.
That's it.
Oh, go on. Yeah. Do a little flame. Yeah. Yeah, man, big up. Yeah, alright. Check out the channel at Dex Media. Search it on YouTube. So right over there, you have Morgan Plaza. You see it, people? Yeah, Morgan Plaza. So people, alright here, so then so the new place, there, see it? Yeah, so I'm gonna come to check it out. Yeah. Oh, go on. I say new place, the man, it a go on good, man. Wow. Portland really a developed people, you see it? Yeah, man, it's a good. See the people, so I'm gonna see if I can get a little clip in there. Yeah, I wanna go and see if I can get a little shot in there. See the people? Sakura, how you want name? I can't even pronounce it good. But Sakura? Yeah, man, place.
Nice, you have a Sakura.
Yeah, man, we have to give thanks. We like Portland and develop. We have to give thanks, man.
I was KFC, get a knock.
You get a knock, no? That them for no. Yeah, man, that them for no. KFC get a knock. So, what they selling here, some G? Based on what you see, you go on.
Yeah, man, every little thing.
Every little thing in there. Rice and peas, everything. Hold on there. And they also sell fried rice and then something there. Chinese food and then something there. You know, so I got half with and see the place already. Yeah, man, then thing up. Man, I tell you, them food tastes really good.
You're not empty.
In there?
Never empty.
In the never empty.
Never empty.
Yo, I realize from your part, I said today a big start there. Oh, KFC not full up. Yo, normally KFC would have full up, you know?
Shut up. One set.
Yeah, man, up and running.
Portland fully set.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna just go in there and see if I can get a coverage. Hopefully, stick around and tell me, say no.
Alright, nice friend. What's up?
As you know, so I go on people. They sell every little thing as it. Yeah, man, they sell every little thing. They sell a meat. Boy, people may never know about a place here. If they know about a place here, definitely I would come in here and buy something. But I actually know this place because when I'm in Kingston, I actually know about this place in Kingston. And now this is right here in Port Antonio. It's a good look. You see it? Good look. Our beautiful Portland had developed. You see it? As the gentleman out the door, that's the KFC get knocked. And then a lime I tell. Yeah, man, I show him at So, what basically I can see, you're trying the line from right or so. You're trying the line right or so. And then now you just go there and tell them what you want in your order. And so now you pay right down there. So you see it? Yeah. the KFC get now. KFC can't get now. They get a competition. Yeah, they get a little competition. No. Look, who do you think would like a KFC? Island Grill? Burger King? It's standalone. Alright.
Nobody can run up one.
It's a option. It's the next option. This is the next option.
Restaurant.
The restaurant there, not true.
Restaurant.
Yo, the restaurant is not just about eating right now, my boss. Because most of the restaurants you can't cook. I'm in a free for that. Sometimes I eat them, I do one thing too fast. You know, enjoy it. You're not get the money's worth, yo. You see, somebody doesn't eat the food because they feel hungry. You're not. That's what I choice. Yeah.
We have to purchase a food off of black food.
Yeah, man. What's your name? A long time on this, yo. I just
Last week, Saturday.
just last week, Saturday. I'm sure some never know about it.
Yeah, you come from
I first had somebody tell me how to come and tell them to me I do a little vlog. I first said, why not check out beer?
Yeah, man.
I said, no.
You need to go buy food.
People for right now. Right now, I'm in a line. I'm going to sample something, you see it? I see how I go on, and then now I can go on a review based on how it tastes and then thing, you see it? Yeah, man, so I'm just go and watch the video, see me. Yeah guys, so I'm next in line now, is it? Yeah man, I'm next in line.
If you want curry, I want
The nice. Oh, you mean, Kingston come to Portland, is it? Yeah man, it's a good look. I love this. Yeah.
alright. So you want sesame and the curry mala. Sesame and curry mala. Yeah. Which one are the one? The curry one or which one? Yeah. The curry one.
Hello. Thank you.
You want that's it?
What else? You can. I see in price?
Yeah, one more.
No. I just know. Alright.
Don't come back. Yeah, I'm gonna wait
Place are nice. Yeah. I'm a little black from Portland, so I try to capture some little thing. Yeah, man. Thank you. Alright guys, so I finally get through it. So this is Sugar. How you pronounce the place? How you pronounce the place? Sakura. Sakura. Oh, so we're at Sakura. Yeah guys, so right now I'm going to rate it. I'm sure no one go and feed, you see it? Yeah, come just buy one meal. We have for $900, you see it? $900 special. So, I even tell the ladies if you just give me something. You understand me? Because I never know which chicken for take or what meat for take. You see it? Somebody else I try this the first time. So, I'm going to see what I go and feed. here, guys. So as you see what I go on, this is alright. So I'm just showing what I go on. See the peak, see the guys. But one thing though, I wonder how I'm get no vegetables. Then I do vegetable too. Sicky. I mean, if you tell her some more vegetable? I didn't do veg. Oh, no, okay. I just walk me to me, I wonder how I have none. Alright, so I go on the guys. See there? Fried rice. And it's look like sweet and sour chicken. Alright, so right now I'm going to sample this sweet and sour chicken and so I'll go and feed as it. Well guys, right now it tastes. It's have a little barbecue up on the top. Have a little barbecue tasting and thing. Tastes good. Tastes good, it does taste like something different, like something. I'll go on the guys. See it there? Fried rice. And it's look like sweet and sour chicken. I never really used to. I try it for the first time. So it's good so far, is it? Oh, I go on. That is all the bad place. Yeah. Alright. Listen. My belly full, bro. My belly can't manage. Some for the rice and also I go on for the rice. Just showing what I go in and place here, you see it. See the people. Time I get late. And you see in the full up. And in the well pack up. See the guys, Sakura. Just showing what I go and see him, you see it? Yeah. It's opposite Morgan Plaza. So you have Morgan Plaza on that side and you have it right opposite it. So it can't miss. It's right next to Jane Bank. Right over here. And come and support it. I like this look. Yeah, it's a very good look for Portland. Big development for our area. Normally I forgot town for this. Now then come to Portland. So I must commend them. And look like them not done yet as when you see what I go on. Look like something I got upstairs too. Or them are gonna make the place bigger. Something I go on upstairs. So far it's a good look. Nah, tell no lie. Yeah guys, so remember to visit that place. Yeah, it's a very nice place. It's normally in Kingston. And now we have it here in Portland. What you say? Wait, am I done too quick? my thing not so big yet, man. When it get big that way there, I go and put in the work on. Search next meter. Yeah, alright. Back down the streets, I know.
You don't know the scientific carpet, you copy up the